YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It's a new month and we got Prime Day coming up. Definitely check these guys out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on it if you like this item and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And let's see what's inside. And like I said, we got Prime Day coming up. And then Santa Claus will be here shortly. So now's the time to start looking what to get somebody, yourself, or a friend, co-worker, your partner. You never know. Now let's see what this is. Weight to it. Where are you? There we go. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, this is coming from ROCCAT. This is a Vulcan 2 Max. So like I said, they got a lot of good esports gaming accessories. So definitely check them out. And this is right now pre-order. And this should be coming out this week. So definitely order it now. You'll be set. This is a high-res RGB next-gen lighting, world's first dual LED liner gaming switch, full-size optical gaming RGB keyboard. This is sweet. Look at that. Keyboards have come a long ways since first I used them back in the day. We got the titanium 2 optical switch. Tested to 100M keystrokes for speed precision with third-party keycaps, so you can swap them. AIMO RGB palm rest, next-gen emo lighting. I think that's how you pronounce it. Control at your fingertips. Yeah, this looks nice. So we got 32-bit ARM. Cortex, 2-position feet, intelligent lighting engine, easy shift button duplicator, 4 megabytes onboard storage, control more, so like FN and F10. I can't wait for this. I like these style with the numbers. I'm not used to the mini ones, but I like the with the numbers on it. So, but like I said, it's your choice on what keyboard to get. But this is a brand new one that just came out, so definitely check it out. Like I said, links will be down below. And here we go. Here's ooh. I think this is all RGB, lights up. Nice armrest or wrist pad. And here we go. It is wired. You get the manual. Let's see if I got everything. Yep. Everything's out. That was easy. Vulcan 2. Oh Let me take the plastic off. Ooh, nice carbon fiber. Super slim. I like this. So ROCCAT. Definitely fancy. Gotta take these strings off. Give me 1 second, guys. These little tape protectors, they are on this side. Ooh. Look at this. See. Dang. Oh yeah, these feel really nice. See in the back, got the flaps. Lift up. Take a look at this cord. Got 2 USBs. I think I got room. Huh. That's interesting. Never had one with 2 USB cords, so must be a new thing, or maybe it's for RGBs. I like this feel. Nice gel. Alright. Really nice. Let's see how I do it. Look at that. I'm gonna have to clean up my computer because I'm swapping my old keyboard out, which was a ROCCAT also, which is a different model, but this one definitely I'm gonna be putting to use. Oh. Yeah, they feel good, guys. Definitely excited now. This is nice. Definitely worth the money. Vulcan 2. Alright, we got the dual LED. We're gonna get started right about now. Alrighty, guys. We are plugged in. And this glows. I don't know if you guys can tell. Really cool. But yeah, these are my style of keyboards. But a lot of people do like the minis. But like I said, I'm more a fan of the numbers on this side. And then you got the volume right here. Play and pause, rewind, fast forward. There's all your other goodies. But yeah, definitely a nice one. Like I said, oh, there we go. Look at that. I'm winking it. Definitely nice. So really cool coming from ROCCAT RGB Vulcan 2. Check it out. Order now. and they'll ship this to you pretty soon. Pre-orders are live, and that's about it, guys. Have a good night. Take it easy. Be safe.